Hey guys, I'm here in my bedroom and I noticed that the door is sagging, and when I go to shut it, it catches up at the top. It catches up at the top. So I took a little closer look and I realized that this hole right here was wallowed out and that the hinge was sagging. So I'm gonna show you a really neat trick to fix this wallowed out hole so you can put the same screw back into it. First thing you're gonna wanna do is take the screws out. Alright. What we're gonna do here is we're actually gonna use toothpicks. And we're gonna jam as many toothpicks as we can into that hole. And when you think you can't fit anymore, fit another one. Okay? If you can't fit any more on the outside, try to squeeze them in the middle. Alright? You get it good and tight. Take the little hammer here, tap it in. Tap them all in. See if we can get another one in there. That one's good and tight. It'll probably break. Just like that. Alright, now that you got it all in there and it's good and tight, what you're going to do is you're going to take a pair of diagonal cutters and cut the remaining off, okay? Alright guys, I'm back with my diagonal cutters here. So all you got to do here now is be careful not to pull the stuff you've already seated out, and just cut away the extra wood, get away the extra stuff here. Get it as flush as you can to the door jamb. That's important. Okay. Alright, so you got all the extra cut away. So I'm going to throw that away, grab my hammer here. Alright, now you see there's a knob here, okay? The idea is to get this flush with the door jamb, because if you don't, it's going to be raised up here. It's going to cause issues, okay? Alright, so we got a good and flush in here. Let's take a closer look. It's nice and flush. Okay, now what we're gonna do, we're gonna screw our screws back in, okay? Alright, so we're gonna start with the first bottom one just to see if it holds. Oh yeah, looks like it's holding pretty good. Alright, let's see. And there you go. That one's in there good and tight. And we'll put the rest of them back in because they weren't stripped out. Alright. And that's how you fix a hollowed out door or hinge with a hole. Let me know what you guys think. Like the video, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Facebook at DIY Home Repair. Thanks.